Animals are loyal, great companions, and also make us stress-free. Some animals are very unique and most expensive in the world. That their price itself is a record. Millions are spent every year on the purchase of these animals. Let us have a look on 10 expensive animals in the world, due to which our pockets become empty, and animals lover will get more idea to buy such kind of animals. Number 10. Chinese crested dog. Cost approximately $5,000. Tiny Chinese crested dog are one of the most expensive dogs you can buy. Amazing thing is that they are hairless. They have little hair only around their paws and faces. Their skin is soft and weight more than 10 pounds. Sam is the world famous Chinese crested dog who won the world ugliest dog competition from 2003 to 2005. Number 9. Green monkey. Cost approximately $16 lakh. As name is of monkey, but strange, it is a horse. The most expensive, rare and beautiful animal in the world. It is an American race horse known as Foresty. You know, according to CNBC report, first time in racing he run 8 miles in just under 9.8 seconds, but after that he meet with an injury and could not run. Number 8. White lion. Cost approximately $1,40,000. This single species of lions are very rare and are difficult to calculate. They are first discovered in 1938. The mutation of white color is coat pigmentation, which was first seen in Timbawati area. Even their eyes are also light or white in color. It is said that the white color is due to the recessive genes of both the parents. They can only be seen in expensive African safaris. Number 7. Sir Lancelot Incour. Cost approximately $1,55,000. Do you know that this animal is world first clone dog and become the most expensive animal in the world? Ager and Nino, couple in Florida, had a world famous dog Lancelot, but due to cancer they lost him in 2008 and then decided to clone his DNA. In this way, Sir Lancelot Incour born in become the winner of the Bio Arts auction in San Francisco. Number 6. De Brazas monkey. Cost approximately $7,000 to $10,000. The name given to this monkey is from French traveler and is very old form of monkey. Amazing, there are no different species of this animal, and due to its hidden talent, it's difficult to find him. Maximum lifespan is 30 years and is found in Africa. Their job is to guard their families and lead their social group in jungles. Number 5. Miss Missy. Cost approximately $1.2 million. Miss Missy is a cow of Holstein breed. It's strange you know that this cow produces 50% more milk than an average cow, and so is most expensive cow in the world. It has won many competitions like Grand Champions of all breeds. Number 4. Tibetan Mastiff. Cost approximately $582,000. It is a Tibetan dog and world largest, which look like lion. It is also considered as the sign of wealth of society. They are found in various colors like brown, black, white and red. These pets are home protector or guard dogs who are trained to protect livestock and places. Amazing thing is that to defend themselves, they have capability to fight with tigers and their group as well. Number 3. Sheepdog. Cost approximately $15,000. This is a special dog with power and by effect. It looks like sheep, mostly found in Britain. He in fact shows his skill in a sparkling display on the trial fields before bidders. These dogs can cover up to 50 miles a day. Number 2. Lavender albino ball python. Cost approximately $40,000. These pythons are a product of recessive genes. Because of yellow marking and red eyes, they look like ball color and most beautiful snakes in the world. People buy and keep them as pets, also known as high contrast snake. Number 1. Arabian horse. Cost approximately up to $1 lakh. Oldest and royal breed of horse that originates in Arabian Peninsula, have a different head shape and high tail carriage with chiseled neck, which makes him unique from others. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel.